Hello, everybody. I have a few minutes here in my office and I'm waiting for a client right now, but I got some time, so I figured I should finally sit down and show you what I've been working in, what I've been taking around with me. I'm going to keep my voice kind of quiet because I'm not the only one in the building and I just don't want everybody hearing everything I say. But let me just show you what I've been working with here. So this is a pocket-sized Filofax in the Domino Luxe. It's purple, obviously. Got it on Amazon. I don't remember what I paid for it, but it appears all the Filofax planners on Amazon change their prices regularly. So if there's one you're looking for, I would just keep an eye on it, and it'll probably go on sale. I'm going to do this one-handed because this isn't where I typically record videos, so I don't have any kind of setup here. So just bear with me, please. And so here in my pocket, I have some business cards and this, just a little dashboard thing I was making with my daughter's picture on the back. And I'll have to put that back in there. Receipts from the post office. This little guy is just a blank notepad. I got on Amazon a bunch of these and went to the grocery store the other day, so I had my little list of things that I needed to buy. So this is my on-the-go planner, so I just keep it right there. And I have this little fly leaf. This is from Moterm. I did purchase it separately and just stuck that in there because I'm intending on using this as a wallet. And I don't have anything in here, and this is just some gift cards for some coffee at Tim Hortons. I have a little pocket here with just a couple things in there. This is just a beginner setup. I haven't actually done very much in it, so it may look a little empty, but that's why. Dashboard that I created from Canva, and then I laminated it. And just wanted to remind myself something nice. This is what comes with the planner. If you have Filofax, then you are probably pretty familiar with these. I'm not sure what I'm going to use this for here, and I may end up taking it out, but I wanted to include it for now. This is a vellum I just created. I think I got this picture from Facebook somewhere. I don't remember exactly, but I thought it was pretty. And I started to just put some stickers on the months that have finished for 2025. And I'm just going to go ahead and just keep flipping through. These are something also I purchased on Amazon, Filofax pocket-sized dividers. You don't have to buy those. You can create those. So don't spend extra money if you don't want to. I chose to spend it, but I'm going to say it's probably more fun to make your own. I did put some little tabs on it. These are my dailies. They're small, and there's a lot of information on there, but if I'm out and about and I need something to keep me focused, it'll come in handy. And I created this little dashboard. Again, it's just paper. I laminated it. Here's my inbox or my brain dump section. And another little vellum that I created. Task reminder list. And some note pages. Just for whatever I may need it for. This here is my month section. And I just really liked this tie-dye. I thought it was really summery and pretty. And this is another vellum, and I put it with this pink paper behind it because the monthlies, actually, the ones I got them on Amazon, and it shows this, and I thought this looked better. So that's why I put that pink paper there. And then there's my August. And I just decorated a few of them, and I had these little stickers. I don't know how well you can see it, but I got those from, I think it was Happy Planner stickers, honestly. And I just do a little bit at a time. So I got through December, and then here's my weeks section, and I actually might be changing this up, but for now, this is what I have. Butterflies, choose joy, and then it goes right into my August section, which, there we go, got a little sticky there. Another little vellum I created there. And I have these types of weeks on there. So I did decorate some of these. So like you can see, here's another little dashboard for September. I hope you can see it okay, and I hope the lighting is all right. Sorry, my voice is so low. We're not at home right now, so I'm not at home. Oh, and my little daughter, my husband and I, just some pictures here in the back and some stamps from the post office and my shiny little glittery purple pen that brings me joy. But yeah, so that's my little setup for my pocket planner that I take on the go with me. And so far, so good. I've been remembering it everywhere I go. And I've been enjoying having it. So I know this is a real quick video, but I haven't had time to create anything in the last several weeks. I just had a lot of personal stuff going on, I guess. I guess I could go into that, but I'm not sure how much detail I should give at this point in time. So maybe in a future video, I'll go into some of that. But for now, I'll just say there's some personal stuff going on. So I'm just trying to just keep fighting every day. So for now, I will let you be, but I am glad that you're here. If you haven't already, I hope you'll consider subscribing. If you're already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate you so much. Leave me a comment below, and you have a good day. Bye.